Hello, welcome back. So in this session I would like to give an exercise on create table and insert data. So here is the exercise. So I want you to create a table. The table name you can put ATM transactions, and in that table create 5 fields. Transaction ID of data type integer, even you can go for big int. City nvarchar length 25, location nvarchar length 100, amount as a decimal, and two decimal places are enough. Like after decimal point, 2 values will be enough. Time is going to be a timestamp data type. So the conditions to create a table are: each transaction ID is uniquely identified by, whatever I wrote is correct. Each transaction is uniquely identified by transaction ID with auto increment of 1. And I want the transaction ID should start from 100. And while inserting data, location can be unknown, but not the city and amount. If no location mentioned, then default value is 1 ATM. One ATM in the city. So if we don't mention the location, then it should take this string value, 1 ATM in the city. And time should capture automatically when transaction happens. So we are not exclusively providing the time, and time should capture automatically. And if you want to provide, you can provide. Explain about transaction ID. So describe the TID abbreviation as a transaction identification in the table creation. So this is the requirement, and once you create the table, insert following records. Table name is ATM transactions, and the columns TID, city, location, amount, time. And TID is going to increase from 101 to 102, 100, 101, 102, and city New York, Hyderabad, Vatican City, and location Capital Boulevard, High Tech City. And here we are not like this text should come 1 ATM in the city, and amount 250 0 300. And time should record automatically. We are not going to provide exclusively the time value. And so these are the valid records we can insert, and also try to insert some invalid records and see how it works. Once you are done with create table and insert data into the table, compare your results with my solution in the next session. Okay, until then, happy learning.